Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This video is definitely not one that we normally do. This video idea just popped into my head the other day as I was driving home from work, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to film this just because this could be something to watch in the future, because honestly, I don't think a lot of people have seen stuff like this, except for maybe a couple weeks ago. I was driving home on June 29th, and the smoke here in the Pittsburgh area from the Canadian wildfires was just so much that you could not see very far. The smoke was just, it was honestly really wild to see. So I had the GoPro going as I was driving home. You'll see in the clip just how smoky it is. You could barely see the buildings in downtown Pittsburgh. So I started filming just outside the city, and on my way home I cut through the city. So you'll see me drive up, see the city, cut through the city, and drive out of the city basically. But then I got the bright idea, wait, on June 30th, the weather was actually way better. It was clear, there wasn't as much smoke, maybe a very little, so I thought, you know what, let's film this, let's do a picture-in-picture so you can see the difference of how smoky it was and how you couldn't see anything. So, let's get into it. The main picture is going to be the smoky on June 29th, and then the smaller picture in the bottom left will be June 30th when it wasn't as smoky. Now I tried to time the videos up just right. They are very close and they do catch up with each other. They're within seconds of each other really. It's not too far. Just driving, you kind of different speeds and whatnot, a little bit more traffic. So hopefully you guys enjoy this, and let's get to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like I said, it was something different, something to look back on. The kids can watch just how crazy and how far the smoke traveled from these Canadian wildfires. I know a lot of the East Coast was covered in the smoke and everything, but it was just a wild scene out there. So if this is something you enjoy, or if you enjoy some of our other videos, hit that subscribe button down below, share, comment, like, all that fun stuff. And maybe we'll see you in another video. So until next time, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.